This is the third part of chapter 3, fractions, and in this part we are going to solve exercise 3.2. Question number 1. What should be added to 1 2 by 5 to get 3 2 by 7? Let the number to be added be x. So according to the question, we can write it as 1 2 by 5 plus x equals to 3 2 by 7. So converting this mixed fractions into improper one. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2 is 7 by 5 plus x equals to converting this mixed fraction into improper. So 7 3s are 21 plus 2 is 23 by 7. Now keeping the x on the left hand side, because it is already in positive, we'll take the 7 by 5 to the other side. So on transposing plus 7 by 5 to the other side, it will become minus 7 by 5. So x equals to 23 by 7 minus 7 by 5. LCM is 35. So 23 multiplied by 5 is 115 minus 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. So on subtracting, we'll get 66 by 35. It's an improper fraction. So we can write it in the form of mixed fraction, that is 131 by 35. Question number 2. What should be subtracted from 12 1 by 5 to get 11 3 by 4? So let the number to be subtracted be x. So according to the question, 12 1 by 5 minus x is equal to 11 3 by 4. Let us convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 12 5 is 60 plus 1 is 61 by 5 minus x is equal to 11 4s are 44 plus 3 is 47 by 4. Now this x is negative, so bring it to the right hand side, it will become positive, and we will transpose this 47 by 4 to the other side. So 61 by 5 minus 47 by 4 equals to x. Taking the LCM as 20, so 61 multiplied by 4 is 244 minus 47 multiplied by 5 is 235. So therefore x is equal to 9 by 20. Next, question number 3. Multiply the given fractions. 13 by 24 and 8 by 11. So 13 by 24 multiplied by 8 by 11. So we can cancel 8 ones are 8 and 8 threes are 24. Further, cancellation is not possible, so we'll write it as 13 multiplied by 1 and 3 multiplied by 11. That is equal to 13 by 33. Number B, 12 by 15 multiplied by 12 by 15 comma 1 2 by 7. So first let us write it as 12 by 15 multiplied by converting this mixed fraction into improper one. So 7 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9 by 7. So here we can cancel 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, so here what we have done is we have cancelled 12 and 15. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Further cancellation is not possible. So here we are going to write 4 multiplied by 9 divided by 5 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 36 by 35. Therefore, since it's an improper fraction, we can convert this into mixed fraction, that is 1 1 by 35. Question number 3C. 10 by 13 and 1 3 by 5. So 10 by 13 multiplied by, now converting this mixed fraction into improper, that is 5 ones are 5 plus 3 is 8 by 5. Now cancellation of 5 and 10 is possible, so we are going to write it as 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we have 2 multiplied by 8 and 13 multiplied by 1, that is 16 by 13. It's an improper fraction, so we can write it as 1 3 by 13. Number D, 2 5 by 7 comma 3 4 by 9. So we can write it as 7 2s are 14 plus 5 is 19 by 7 multiplied by 9 3s are 27 plus 4 is 31 by 9. Now cancellation of this is not possible. Cancellation of any of the terms is not possible. So we'll write it as 19 multiplied by 31 divided by 7 multiplied by 9, which is 589 divided by 63. And since it's an improper fraction, we can write it in the form of mixed fraction, that is 922 by 63. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. Divide 4 by 5 by 10 by 15. 4 by 5, put a divide sign, 10 by 15. Converting this divide sign into multiplication, so the second number will get reciprocal. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 15 by 10. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So remaining is 2 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 5, which is 6 by 5. It's an improper fraction, so we can write it as 1 1 by 5. 1 4 by 7 by 3 by 20. So 7 1 is 7 plus 4 is 11 by 7 divided by 3 by 20. 11 by 7 multiplied by converting this 3 by 20 into reciprocal form, that is 20 by 3. Here further cancellation is not possible, so we are going to multiply the number. So 11 by 20, that is 220 divided by 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So this is an improper fraction. We can write it as 10 10 by 21. Number C, 17 by 33 by 2 1 by 2. So 17 by 33 divided by 5 by 2. So 17 by 33 multiplied by 2 by 5. Here also cancellation is not possible. So 17 multiplied by 2 is 34 divided by 33 multiplied by 5 is 165. Number D, 5 8 by 15 by 6 9 by 11, converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 15 5s is 75 plus 8 is 83 by 15. 6 multiplied by 11 is 66 plus 9 is 75 by 11. Now converting the division sign into multiplication sign. So 83 by 15 multiplied by 11 by 75. Here also cancellation is not possible, so we are going to multiply. 83 multiplied by 11 is 913. 15 multiplied by 75 is 1125. This is a proper fraction which cannot be converted into mixed fraction form. So the final answer will remain as it is, that is 913 divided by 1125. That's it for this part. Thank you for watching.